Alright guys, so we got this old pocket knife here. I'm going to clean it up, make it look all good again. First I'm going to soak it in some vinegar for about 20 hours. And give me a second, I'll open up this blade, but it's pretty rusty. As you can see. Let's get it focused. It's not too bad. The bad rust is pretty much in that little pocket. So yeah, let's go soak this in vinegar for about 20 hours. Alright guys, so here it is after about 5 hours now. I think it's been working pretty good. You can see some rust particles kind of just floating off there. I'm pretty sure most people leave this in for about a day. I've never done this before, this is my first restoration. So I'm going to leave it in there until 1 o'clock tomorrow. And then I'll take it and hopefully most of that rust and that paint will probably scrub right off too. But yeah, here's a little update for you. Alright, so here's 29 hours after being in vinegar. As you guys can see, that rust is just coming right off. This is actually my first time using this, so I'm kind of surprised. I'm going to go neutralize it, but with some baking soda and water, because I saw that's how you do it online. And we'll see if this rust will scrub off or not. Alright, so I got my phone set up so you guys can see it. It's kind of like looking down. So I'm going to put some baking soda in here. Okay.
Just another day that I needed you more.